Hi there. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Winload.efi is missing or contain errors message. This error message can be different from computer to computer, but the file row mentions the winload.efi file at the Windows System32 folder path. This error has been known to occur as a result of winload.efi file is being corrupt or missing or file system integrity compromised. You should rebuild BCD data store file to repair corrupted BCD data store file, which can be one of the reasons why Windows displays winload.efi error message. Boot your computer with Windows installation DVD and from Windows recovery environment, open the command prompt. Type following commands one at a time at the command prompt and press enter key for each command. Following commands will repair master boot record, boot sector and BCD store. Operation completed successfully. Access is denied. To fix the access denied command error, execute following command. Press enter key. Now re-execute boot drag fix boot command. Operation completed successfully. Execute following command. Scanning all this for Windows installations. Total identified Windows installation is 0, which is not what we want. To overcome this error, we need to rename BCD store file. At the command prompt, type press enter key. Type press enter key. We are looking for factor 2 hidden partition, which will be size of 100 megabyte or more, label as system, system reserve, EFI, or label as ESB partition. We will need to assign the drive letter to volume 2. Execute following command. We will be assigning the drive letter N to factor 2 partition. Drive letter successfully assigned. Type exit and press enter key. Execute following command. Press enter key. Execute following command. Press enter key. Execute following command. And now execute bootleg command. As you can see, total identify window installation is 1. Type Y to add window installation into boot menu. Press Enter key. Reboot your system to check if the Winload.efi error message has been resolved. If not, reboot your system with the Windows installation media and open the command prompt. Type following command. After check this command finish executing, execute following command to scan integrity of all protected Windows system files and repair files with problem when possible. Press Enter key. The scan process will take some time to finish. Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. Reboot your computer and if the issue is not resolved, execute following command. N letter is the drive letter for FAT32 system resolve protection, which we have assigned the drive letter for. Press Enter key. Boot file successfully created. Reboot your computer and hopefully issue will be resolved. That is it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.